Hello friends, today's topic is about why respiratory alkalosis occur in hyperammonemia, which is typically seen in a urea cycle disorder. Or sometimes it is asked which type of acid-base disorder is seen in a urea cycle disorder. So in detail of this urea cycle disorder in relation to respiratory alkalosis that we will look. Simple urea cycle disorder that already we have seen, and it is typically leading to the hyperammonemia. Basic function of urea cycle, that is to detoxification of the ammonia, and that ammonia is converted into the urea. But this urea cycle disorder that will lead to the not a detoxification of this ammonia, and that will lead to the increased number of this ammonia in the blood, and that will lead to the hyperammonemia. This ammonia is also leading to the conversion of glutamate to the glutamine, because this glutamate, that is one of the amino acid, glutamic acid, but when this ammonia is excessively present, so one of the detoxification method, that is conversion of this glutamate to glutamine by adding of that ammonia molecule. Now when this glutamate is converted into the glutamine, so all over glutamate is decreased in the body, but this glutamate is required for the formation of GABA, that is gamma aminobutyric acid, one of the inhibitory neurotransmitter. So this glutamate is converted into the glutamine, so glutamate is not available, so ultimately GABA is not synthesized. So all over decreased level of GABA in our body, which is one of the inhibitory neurotransmitter. So inhibition on respiratory center will be lost. So that will lead to the continuous stimulation of the respiratory center, and that will lead to the tachypnea. So all over tachypnea is observed due to decreased concentration of the gamma aminobutyric acid, and this tachypnea will lead to the wash out of the carbon dioxide. So excessive wash out of the carbon dioxide, that will lead to the respiratory alkalosis. So simple tachypnea, that is leading to the respiratory alkalosis. Why tachypnea is occurring? Because decreased concentration of GABA. Why GABA is decreased? Because glutamate is not available for the formation of GABA. Why glutamate is not available? Because glutamate is converted to the glutamine because of the high level of the ammonia. So hyperammonemia, which is occurring mostly in a urea cycle disorder, that is leading to the respiratory alkalosis. So that's simple about hyperammonemia that is leading to the respiratory alkalosis.